Racing just is started. We have Doña Nicasha. Break weekly restart. Forest all in the middle portion is Lasting Rose. Dance Lively comes next. The Fountainhead getting the white strip as they make the first turn is Maverick. Then Danole inside now is Superior Joe. While Price Angel is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Raising down the backstretch, we have Forest All. Moving upon the outside is Doña Nicasha. In between horses comes Lasting Rose. Dance Lively is down in fourth, and in fifth the Fountainhead. The 6 belongs to Maverick. 7 comes Superior Joe, while Price Angel is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Forest All. Moving up now on the outside is Doña Nicasha. Then here comes Dance Lively now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth Lasting Rose. The Fountainhead, Maverick, Price Angel comes next, while Superior Joe now racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. Dance Lively now moves about the outside to take the lead. Doña Nicasha, Forest All is running by the rail. Last 100 meters we have Dance Lively. Doña Nicasha is on the outside. And finally, it's Dance Lively, Doña Nicasha, Forest All, the Fountainhead, Lasting Rose, Price Angel, Maverick, and Superior Joe.
All right, number 5, Dance Lively, crossing the wire first, ridden by Mark Sadam Pilapil. Masisigundo yung number 3, Doña Nicasha, Forest All, then 7, the Fountainhead. Panoorin natin, replay. Itong